Hey everybody, I am laying here upset. I done killed a bird. Not just any bird, a baby bird. It is on my patio as we speak. Warning, these graphics I'm about to show you are not made for the eyes of anybody who's squeamish or whatever. So, and furthermore, if you don't want to see a dead bird body, don't look at the video. So here we go. We're going to take this adventure. Let me get up. I feel so sad. And then my music is playing right in the background. You see it? I killed it. Look at it. I'm going to bird killing jail. I'm a murderer.